Okay, so I have this project right here, and I have added a couple of pro effects to it. Let me see, and a pro effect to it, and when I click on this export button, this is exactly what I get. Okay, so I'm being asked to join CapCut Pro in order to export this project, right? So if you're facing the same situation, you've landed on the right video. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to export CapCut Pro with your pro features already included in your project for free without having to pay a dime. Okay, so without any further ado, let's end this tutorial. Okay, so how we all started, let me go back. All right, let's say you want to create a project. Let me quit all of this, just like so. Let's say you want to create a project. I'll just click on this project I already have here. Okay, you can see there's no pro effect added to it, right? So what I want to do now is I'll add a pro effect to it, just like so, like this one that's already here, and I'm going to add something different again. Let me see the body effect, even though we don't actually have body right here. Okay, so I'll just add this one just for the purpose of this tutorial. All right, so I'll just add this one just like so, and then I come to, let me not come to this part, it's going to take time. Okay, so I believe that's just a couple of things I can add. Anyways, you get the point right here. Okay, the point you have, what you need to do here is you need to add all of your effects, your pro effects or anything pro that you want to use on CapCut right in this timeline. Okay, so just edit your video as you will normally do. All right, edit it as you will normally do. There's no fear in it, no harm in it. Okay, you can even go ahead and even remove this watermark. Okay, yeah, I have 4 uses, so I'm just going to remove the watermark. Right, just remove the watermark just like so, and then once you're done with adding all your effects, doing all of your editing, everything in a row, what you want to do is to click on this export button and see if you're being asked that. And if you're being asked, this means you're actually following on. Okay, so I'm just going to close this up. All right, I click on the video just like so. There's our preview, our project. So what we'll be doing here is, the trick here is we're going to be recording the preview of this project. All right, if you paid attention in the previous video that I shared on how to get CapCut or how to export CapCut Pro on your PC, it is actually the same step. Okay, why I'm doing this on Android, it is actually the same process with iPhone users, so iPhone users can equally follow on. Right, so what you need is a screen recording software. If your device doesn't have an inbuilt screen recorder, you can just come to your Play Store or your App Store and then search for screen recorder right here, just like so. Okay, screen recorder, you just have a ton of them right here. Okay, you see screen recorder, the list is just so long. Okay, you have Mobizen. I can recommend you this Mobizen. Right, you can go ahead and install it, or you can also install this screen recorder right here. You just have a whole ton of them. Okay, but for me, for the purpose of this tutorial, I'll be using my inbuilt screen recorder. All right, you also have this on iPhone users also have the screen recorder in your iPhone devices. That's just what you need. Okay, so what you do now is you go back to CapCut after downloading your screen recording software, after being set with your screen recorder. Okay, make sure everything is being added. You cross check if everything goes well. All right, so now from here, now you just click on this expander right here, this preview expander, yeah, and you just tap on that just like so. Okay, so before even having to tap on that, I will recommend you just scroll down, turn on your screen recording software. Okay, that's it. The screen recording software is already recording. Okay, so what I'll just do is just click on this right here, this preview expander, and then I play this just like so. Okay, there we go. As you can see, we're actually recording this. Okay, even though it's not being featured on the screen right now, I'm actually recording the preview. Okay, alright, so once you're done with recording your preview, you just want to close it here. We are done with this for now. Okay, record all of the video, everything don't skip any step. Okay, so now just click on this new project right here, just like so, and then you select the video you just recorded earlier. All right, great, that's the video we recorded earlier. Okay, so if I play it, great, that's the video going on, and very soon you see the effect pop up. Okay, that's an effect that's popping up. It's kind of lagging, but the essential stuff is that it is actually being rendered here. Okay, so what you do now is the thing that you're left to do is just the only thing you need to do now is just to click on this export, just like so. You view this the art, you view the art. Since we're on the free version, we need to view this art in order to export, right? So just let the art finish playing. Very boring, right? So here is it, exporting with our watermark. There we go. That's how you get to export CapCut Pro features on your mobile devices for free. Okay, so it doesn't matter whether you're using Android or iPhone, this method works best for you. Okay, so there's one kind of stuff that is kind of, let me say, annoying with this export on mobile. All right, the thing is, when you export on mobile, the timer or the, let me say, the playback controls don't always disappear in all cases. Okay, so if this is the case for you, I would recommend you do this on PC. Okay, I'll drop the link to the PC method in the video description, so make sure you check that out. All right, so guys, we've come to the end of our video. If you found it actually helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and tap that notification bell down below to not miss any training content from us. All right, so thanks for watching. I'll catch you in the next video.